Welcome to Really Fun Math with Miss Colvang. Good afternoon, workshop guys. How are ya? I hope that you all watched the math video this morning. So this video is just for people who are only in or who are also in workshop, just to provide some additional details that are important for those students. Since workshop is an elective, you will be working on workshop assignments in the afternoons during elective time. It is also a different day of the week, so workshop is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So just look at the calendar and that will keep everything organized for you. I will try to keep lessons and review activities short and meaningful, as I said before, and we will continue to go over content to build your math confidence and to prepare you for high school. I know that that's something that's coming up, and that might be even more worrisome now, but as always, if you guys just do what I tell you, you will be totally fine next year, and I'm going to get you as prepared as possible. I've seen such growth in you guys. I'm so proud of you, and you are going to do fine in high school. I promise, promise, promise. Make sure that you are not only in the workshop Google Classroom, but you also do need access to your dreaded MobyMax account. We will continue to use this tool from time to time to practice older concepts, and after this video, make sure to take a look at the schedule and start planning how you will get through the activities for this course and the other courses that you're in. As I said earlier, all of the expectations should be made clear today, so you'll have a good idea of what we're expecting from you on a daily basis or a weekly basis. I want to encourage you guys to stay positive as much as possible during this challenging time. I know things are crazy, but have a sense of humor, try to be as well behaved for your parents and guardians as you can, and take care of any siblings that you might have. I got Jerry, and he's doing well, so while this mode of instruction does present some hurdles, it also really opens us to some cool opportunities that we can have going forward. If you trust me and stay on track for the calendar, you'll be more than ready for success in high school next year. I miss you all and hope that we can all stay connected virtually, at least for now. So I will see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching, and please complete the rest of the assignments on today's agenda. Have a good one.